Bonjour! Hi! Welcome to the channel. I'm Frank Boucher, I'm a Microsoft Cloud advocate, and I'm based in Canada. About every second week, I publish a short video to answer your technical questions or demonstrate how to do things. I'm trying to keep the video as short as possible, but without magic. I explain everything that I do. Where you can help me is by asking questions in the comment section of each video or by reaching out on social media. You can find me on Twitter at fbucheros or on Instagram, Frankie's Notes. Also, I have a blog if you prefer reading instead of viewing. My blog is frankiesnotes.com. And if you would like something more interactive, feel free to reach out. Multiple times a week, I live stream on Twitch at twitch.com/fbucheros. All the links are in the description. Feel free to reach out. All comment and questions are welcome. I'm looking forward to read you. See you soon.